In the ever-evolving digital landscape, YouTube has emerged as a powerful platform for content creators. One of the latest trends gaining traction is YouTube automation. This process allows creators to produce content efficiently, minimizing manual efforts. Automation can streamline tasks, making it possible for creators to focus on content quality and audience engagement. Whether it's generating video descriptions or scheduling uploads, automation tools can handle it. Consistency is key to growing a YouTube channel, and automation is a valuable ally in this pursuit. This essay will delve into the world of YouTube automation, providing insights on how to earn money through it. By the end of this essay, you will have a comprehensive understanding of YouTube automation. Let's embark on this journey to make content creation more efficient and profitable. YouTube automation refers to the use of software tools to manage and optimize various tasks involved in creating and managing a YouTube channel. These tools can handle a range of activities from content creation and editing to publishing and promotion. The goal is to reduce the manual workload, allowing creators to focus on more strategic aspects of their channels. Automation tools can assist in generating video content by using algorithms to create scripts or even edit videos. For example, some tools can compile clips from various sources to create a cohesive video. Apart from content creation, automation also extends to channel management. Tools can schedule video uploads, optimize video titles and descriptions for SEO, and even manage viewer comments. In essence, YouTube automation is about leveraging technology to enhance efficiency. The significance of YouTube automation cannot be overstated in today's fast-paced digital world. For content creators, time is a precious commodity. Automation allows them to reclaim time spent on repetitive tasks, enabling more focus on creativity and strategy. One of the primary benefits of YouTube automation is consistency. Regularly posting high-quality content is crucial for channel growth. Automation tools can ensure videos are uploaded on schedule, maintaining a steady flow of content. This consistency helps in building a loyal audience base, which is essential for long-term success. By automating tasks like video editing, keyword research, and thumbnail creation, creators can streamline their workflows. Automation tools can analyze data and provide insights on what works best for a channel. From SEO to audience retention metrics, automation tools provide valuable information to fine-tune content strategies. To fully leverage YouTube automation, it's essential to understand the tools available. These tools come with various functionalities tailored to different aspects of content creation and channel management. Some of the most popular automation tools include TubeBuddy, VidIQ, and Hootsuite. TubeBuddy offers features like keyword research, thumbnail generation, and video SEO optimization. VidIQ focuses on video SEO and analytics, offering keyword suggestions, trend alerts, and competitor analysis. Hootsuite, while primarily a social media management tool, also supports YouTube. It allows creators to schedule and manage video uploads, track performance, and engage with viewers. Understanding these tools and their functionalities is the first step towards effective YouTube automation. Each tool has its strengths, and choosing the right one depends on a creator's specific needs and goals. By leveraging these tools, creators can streamline their workflows and enhance their channel's performance. Section 5. Key features of automation tools. The key features of YouTube automation tools are designed to simplify and enhance various aspects of content creation and management. One of the most crucial features is keyword research. Tools like TubeBuddy and VidIQ provide keyword suggestions based on search volume and competition, helping creators optimize their video titles and descriptions. Another essential feature is video SEO optimization. Automation tools analyze a video's SEO performance and offer recommendations for improvement. Thumbnail generation is also a significant feature. Eye-catching thumbnails are vital for attracting viewers, and automation tools can assist in creating professional-looking thumbnails. Scheduling and publishing are other critical functionalities. By utilizing these features, creators can streamline their workflows and focus on producing high-quality content. Section 6. Methods to earn money with automated content. Earning money through YouTube automation involves leveraging various monetization methods. The most common way is through ad revenue. By joining the YouTube Partner Program, creators can earn money from ads displayed on their videos. Another lucrative method is affiliate marketing. Creators can promote products or services in their videos and earn a commission on sales generated through their affiliate links. Sponsorship deals are also a significant revenue stream. Brands often collaborate with creators to promote their products. Additionally, creators can earn through merchandise sales. Automation tools play a crucial role in optimizing these revenue streams, helping creators maximize their earnings with minimal manual effort. Section 7. Step-by-step guide to creating automated videos. Creating automated YouTube videos involves several steps, each crucial for producing high-quality content. The first step is content planning and research. Using automation tools like TubeBuddy, creators can identify trending topics and relevant keywords. Once the content plan is in place, the next step is script writing. Automation tools can assist in generating scripts based on the chosen topics. Text-to-speech technologies can then convert these scripts into voiceovers, saving time on recording. Tools like Lumen 5 can help in creating video visuals by compiling relevant clips and images. Once the editing is complete, it's time to upload and schedule the video. By leveraging automation tools at each step, creators can produce high-quality content efficiently. Section 8. Content planning and research. Effective content planning and research are foundational to successful YouTube automation. The first step in content planning is identifying your niche and target audience. Knowing who you are creating content for helps in tailoring your videos to meet their interests and preferences. Automation tools can provide insights into audience demographics and behavior, aiding in this process. Keyword research is another critical aspect of content planning. Tools like TubeBuddy and VidiQ can help identify high-performing keywords related to your niche. These keywords should be incorporated into your video titles, descriptions, and tags to improve SEO and attract more viewers. Creating a content calendar is also essential. Automation tools can assist in scheduling your videos and sending reminders for upcoming uploads. Section 9. Creating and uploading videos. The process of creating and uploading videos can be streamlined significantly with the use of automation tools. The first step in creating a video is gathering your content. Tools like Lumen 5 can assist by automatically compiling these elements based on your script or storyboard. Once you have gathered your content, the next step is editing. Automation tools offer various templates and features to simplify the editing process. They can automatically add transitions, effects, and background music, ensuring your video looks professional. After editing, the next step is to upload your video. Automation tools like Hootsuite can handle this process, allowing you to schedule your video uploads in advance. Promoting your video is also crucial for attracting viewers. Section 10. Tips for success in YouTube automation. To succeed in YouTube automation, it's essential to focus on a few key strategies. First and foremost, always prioritize content quality. Even though automation tools can handle many tasks, the core of your content should be engaging and valuable to your audience. Consistency is another critical factor. Use automation tools to maintain a regular posting schedule. Engaging with your audience is also crucial. Automation tools can help manage comments and social media interactions, but personal engagement makes a significant difference. Lastly, continuously analyze and optimize your content. By following these tips, you can maximize the benefits of automation and grow your YouTube channel effectively. Section 11. Maintaining quality in automated content. Maintaining quality in automated content is crucial for long-term success on YouTube. While automation tools can significantly streamline the content creation process, it's essential to ensure that the final output meets high standards. One way to maintain quality is by setting clear guidelines for content creation. This includes defining the tone, style, and format of your videos. Regularly reviewing and updating your content creation process is also important. Automation tools should be seen as assistants rather than replacements. Always review the scripts, edits, and final videos to ensure they align with your brand standards. Incorporating audience feedback is another effective strategy. By focusing on these aspects, you can ensure that your automated content remains high quality and engaging.